three important posts, selling posts that you can post on your Instagram or YouTube in order to get your first few high paying clients. Okay, excited about it. What are those three posts? How I need to post it? How I need to get high paying clients? Simple. I will share my screen, okay, and show you how you can get with a course funnel. Okay, I call it as like a course three-step funnel where I'm going to explain with three posts, three-step course funnel, getting your high paying clients. Trust me, not 99%. This will work 100% if you follow the same. Okay, let me share my screen and explain it to you. Okay. So here you see, let me type three posts, three steps course funnel. And for watching out, you can watch KingKong.co, Australian based digital marketing agency, one of the biggest digital marketing agency. I took a lot of inspiration from them. Okay, when I started out, I took a lot of inspiration. I created landing page similar to them. I created a 30-minute, 40-minute funnel similar to them. You can watch out. His founder is also one of the Shark Tank judges in Australia. Okay, so you can watch out KingKong.co. So they operate in two different models. I will explain the same to you. Just copy paste it. Okay, course, done for you, services, and second, service, do it with you. So these are the two services they have. Okay, now I'll tell you what is this. You will get to know exactly in depth once I have gone to the complete in-depth concept. So let me explain first what is three posts. Post 1, post 2, post 3. Okay, these are the three posts which we all want to talk about. Okay. So let me put these are free. Okay. Later you can get them into paid also if you want. Let me erase this. Let me make it paid for you. Okay. So here you see the first post. Here is how you will do it. Imagine you are a content marketer and you provide content marketing services exclusively for restaurants. Okay. Cafes and restaurants. Do you think that restaurants, cafes do not need social media management or a content creation services? Absolutely not. Every brand nowadays needs these services in order to go to next level. The first one, okay, you create a post like this. Post or a reel. It could be reel is better instead of post. Post or reel. Reel could be like this. There is only 7 steps required as a restaurant owner in order to go from 0 to 100K on Instagram and YouTube using this 7-step framework. I created an extract course only for restaurant owners on how they can grow their social media profiles using 7 simple steps. Do you want to claim for free? Go to my profile, the link in bio, click on it and enroll it for free. That's how you create one course. Okay. Now it is 7 steps, 7 videos, and you created exclusively for restaurant owners. Okay. Now you tell me you generated 100 leads out of it. Okay. How many of you think that actual restaurants owners got this versus people who want to learn? Just let me know in the comment box. 30, 40 It is 70 only. 60, 40. Okay, no, I'll tell you. Okay. So you will get more than 50% of junk leads, 50% quality leads. QA, we call them as QA. Okay. So similarly, you create one more post related to the same with a different script. Okay. Change the script now this time and create it. So now you have 50 hot leads with you, and they have gone through your 7-stage framework which you have given to them exclusively. At the end of seventh video, you said like, do you want to implement all these 7 steps what I said to you by me? Then click a call or a button below and book a one-to-one consultation call with me. Okay, then let us imagine out of 50 people, 10 people booked a call. Can't you close 2 to 3 clients from them? Which is a force funnel. Before they coming into your services, they are getting value from your post. They are getting value from your Instagram. That means there is no second thought that they will trust you or not. They will ask you your portfolio or not, because you've already built such a massive funnel. You're getting my point? Now, if you observe, why I've given different concept again free. Now here you will test maybe 60% good leads, 40% bad leads. But here, if you charge 99 or 199 rupees for them upfront, okay, to join that 7-stage free course, do you think that junk leads will come if you put a price tag and you already saying exclusively for restaurant owners? Absolutely no. But Viru, what do you prefer, paid one or free one? I asked to do both. Everything is important. Okay, test free funnel. You're getting leads, you're getting qualified leads, you're getting clients. Continue with that. You're getting leads but less clients. Do an experiment with paid one. So that's how you will actually grow and actually create a 3-stage and 3-step coach funnel. Now what the final stage is here. The kingdom, what it offers is King Kong. Okay, kingkong.co. So they have a courses. Same, you need to have a courses and service on your page. What I writing you. Okay, you need to have a course and service. People who can't afford you for a high paying client, they will opt for a course for Kingdom, let's say $10,000. Here you can offer it at 10,000 rupees. Okay, so if they can offer, you charge 30,000 rupees. Okay, you're getting my point? So now you will have a both funnels. That means people who cannot afford, you have a course model where you can sell them. Again, you can make money. Imagine in a month, 10 people is purchasing your 5,000 rupee course. You're making still 50,000 rupees there. And what if 2 clients you are going to crack it at 25,000 rupees per month? Okay, that means you can still crack 50,000 from there and your income is 6 figures. As a freelancer, you have to implement these type of funnels in order to grow in 2025. Client will not reach out to you if you do not build your personal brand, if you do not have a funnel system, if you do not have these systems and processes. The only way you can grow big is implementing this. Okay, because these are absolutely advanced topics which I'm teaching. I'm not going to teach you basic topics because I want you to explore basic topics for free. You can available everywhere, but these are something important and most important for any freelancer to get into this funnel systems, because I do design a lot of funnels, you know. All right, so I hope you like this video.